So let's do a quick unboxing here of the Vantrue TS1 Thermal Cam, and we'll also get it set up here with the phone and get it up and running. And taking off the cover here, it looks like we've got our packaging. And inside this first envelope here, looks like we've got the user manual in a bunch of different languages. Then in this little box, we've got some different cables here and adapters depending on what type of connectors you need for your phone. But the main thing we want to look at, of course, is going to be the thermal cam in here. And opening it up, it looks like this. And this model specifically, you can see that it says it's for iOS. It's got the lightning port here. And on the box, it also says that it's the one for iPhone and iOS. And on this side, you can see the actual cameras itself with the protective film, which we can peel off. And if you have a newer iPhone that uses a USB Type-C, you can plug it in here like this, and then it has the adapter to convert for lightning. And that would basically look like this here if you want to have it hooked up to maybe like an iPhone 17 or something that uses USB-C. Additionally, they also have this extension cable here like this that's lightning here on both sides in case you want to maybe move the camera around itself and not always have it fixed to the phone. And to get up and running, let's go ahead and remove this plastic cover, and it's going to peel off the lenses just like that. And then we'll download the Vantrue Thermal app here for iOS and open that up. And let's go through the prompts and hit next. Cool. Next. Next. Start now. Agree. Wants me to go ahead and insert the camera. So let's go ahead and plug it in here like so. Cool. It recognizes it, and then we can hit camera. And it does take a couple seconds, but looks like we are up and running here. And we can do a quick test here with this heater. It's a Bitcoin miner, but it also outputs heat. And if we point the camera at it, we can now see it's kind of lighting up here on camera. And if you take a look at the red dot, you can see that's the hardest spot. It says it's about 68 degrees Celsius, whereas if we kind of look right in the center where I'm pointing down, that one's down to 28 degrees Celsius. So we kind of have different targets there that we can use. That blue dot you can see over on the left looks like that's the coldest point, and that one's registering 19 degrees. Now, if we hit this button here on the bottom left, it looks like we can change the different modes. So we can make black hot instead of white hot. We can also do the colored version here like this. So kind of your white and orange is going to be the hottest ones. Let's see, we can do red would be hot. We can do this rainbow style here like this. We can do jungle, which looks like that. Aurora, city, dim light. I guess it's basically a bunch of different modes, as you can see, to kind of change it and have it look a bunch of different ways. I usually use something like this here on my different thermal cams, so I'm going to go with the iron red option. Looks like we also have the option there to take photos and videos. We can go down in here. Let's see if we turn this on. When I access the thermal cam, we'll hit allow. And that's cool. As you can see, we kind of have like two different modes. Maybe I can adjust the transparency here like this. So if I want to see what it sees on the regular camera and the thermal cam simultaneously, I can do that. Looks like I can zoom here like this. Oh, doesn't let me go. There we go. 5x. We'll just do 1x for now. And then this last option here, we can adjust, brightness, colors, contrast, all the video stuff. And then also up at the top, it looks like we have the option here of adjusting our temperature ranges. By default, it's negative 20°C to 150°C, but you can also adjust to 150°C to 550°C if you're doing something way, way hotter. That is going to look like this, but I think it's kind of out of the range of what this is designed for, so I'm going to switch back to negative 20 to 150. It does take a little while here to switch modes. It's not instantaneous. But either way, though, here's a look here at this thermal cam, which is designed to attach to the bottom of your iPhone.